Hello, everyone. I hope you find yourself well today. Thank you for joining me. My name is Lily, and today I angled my camera a little bit different over here in my little sewing station down in my basement. I just can't tell you I just can't say it enough how excited I am to be down here in this great open space. So I am going to sew all around the edge of the soft cover journal. That's basically all I've done. Um, Wait, let me go back. I haven't done anything. The only thing I've done is I've added some pins to hold some of the fabric pieces down, and then I ironed around the edges, especially the edges that overlap. And right now I'm just going to stitch all the way around. I would like to do some slow stitching, maybe add some buttons, and the more I let this sit and I look at it, the more embellishments I want to add. As far as details, maybe some, slow stitching and maybe some seed beads, things like that. But for right now, I'm just going to stitch all the way around. I've added some gold thread, and let's just start with that. It'll be a brief video. I enjoy watching sewing videos. I am not a seamstress. I took a class in junior high. Junior high. That was a long time ago, you guys. But that's it. I learned the basics, and I've done all kinds of stuff with sewing with my junior high class. So yeah, I love sewing class, and I've just done small projects. Okay, let's go. I'm telling you guys, if you see me mess up, well, there you go. Okay, all the settings are good. So let's go. And I'm just going to do a straight stitch. Nothing fancy. Okay. One side down. Woohoo. All right. And do you guys want me to get a little bit closer? Let's see if I can. There we go. We're a little bit closer now. I zoomed in just a little bit. I love that I have set up this little corner in this room down here for sewing. I found this great little table at a thrift store for $10. It is gorgeous. So I will soon do a video of the space down here. I may never finish getting it all set up, but I'm not aiming to finish it. I just want to be able to have an area to work. Okay, let's go this way. Woo. My sewing will be wonky, not on purpose, just because that's just how I roll, you guys. Okay. Maybe I took out that pin too soon. Ah! I'm at beginner level. I've been at beginner level for 30 years. Okay, maybe more than 30 years. Okay. I need some scissors because I wasn't prepared. Okay. So there you go. I have stitched it. Let me zoom out a little bit. Whoops, the other way. Okay, so here it is. Stitched all around. And so now what I may do now is, let me get some lighting in here. So what I will probably do next is, well, I don't know. All of this, it's all processing right now. And so I may go over some of these embellishments with a single stitch. Some of the other elements I may just do slow stitching. And then I'm going to gather some little buttons and things like that. But look at this. Let's fold it so we can get, oh my gosh, I love it so much. It looks different once it's folded. You guys, I'm going to love this so much. Look at the back. Oh, it's looking so good. I love it so much. And then we'll work on the inside, okay? I got to get to work, so I only had a few minutes to do this. So, yeah, thanks for joining me, you guys, on my little short video here. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.